All my friends are toxic, all ambition is so rude and always negative.
Stop. Let's reset. Subscribe. Yo, guys, what's up, Snappy Gamers? Today, this is a kind of weird video, but if you looked at the title and the thumbnail, you'll know what the video is about. Let's get in. So honestly, I spent an hour making all of them on camera, but my mic wasn't working. So I'll put up the footage of it, like, never mind, I just won't. It's gonna take too long, but there's no point, no mic. But I 3D printed 2 Brainrots, and I could just show you them, or no, never mind. I was gonna say after this 2x luck, but we didn't get it. But we're gonna like be fooling around, and at the end, I'll show you the Brainrots, and you guys get to vote what Brainrot won. And you guys gotta like try to guess what 2 Brainrots I made. They're in my base. Job Job, La Agarrini La Parini, Trunzo Chachai, Kakizito Satito, Semini Spaderini, Chachai, La Caracha, Gatino Takato, Tortagini Tipi Tapi Taco, Nubini, Las Vaquitas Saturnitas, La Con Combinaciones, Extinct Tralala, Crabito Lemontov, Los No, my hot spacitos, Duel, and Los Cholitas. So you guys gotta guess which one it is. So yeah. Do you guys have a like a thing? Like a guess? No, guys, I'm asking you, do you have a guess? You don't? I don't care, I'm showing you anyways. Here is what the first Brainrot hint is. I'm gonna give you hints throughout this video. Let's go to the second floor. You guys get 3 hints per Brainrot. So 1 hint for each Brainrot. It's not on this floor or this floor. It's on bottom floor. It's on bottom floor. 1 of these. 2 of these. Not this side. If your prediction was correct, you guys fought. Whoever fought the Trinzo Turbo 3000 is wrong. It's actually La Agarrini La Parini and the Job Job Shur. So I'm gonna show you them, and you guys have to like vote for your favorite one that I will print. So let's go look at them. Okay, guys, here is our first Brainrot, the Agarrini La Parini. It does not look that good because I made it. But as you can see, we have the stem, as in right here we have the stem, and we have like the face, and even its grumpy mood. So yeah, if you think this Agarrini La Parini should win, comment down below. Comment down shovel. Yeah, shovel. Now let's get to the Job Job. Here is the Job Job Shur. He has his baseball bat. It says My Singing Monster. It says Job, and he has his little eyeballs. If you think he should win, comment down below. I need a job, because you know you do need a job. And also, we printed the Snappy Hat 5 logo, so that will be linked right here. But yeah. Wait. What is that again? like and subscribe. That's it for the video, guys. Comment down more video ideas, and